Drinking cherry wine and we dancing on an island. We going back the finest. Oh yeah, young as tequila and call me señorita. Ay papi, got me dreaming. My legs up on the ceiling. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I know when he come, he ain't never gonna leave me. Hit it the night run and that's the way I wanna be. So don't think I'm the one that's ever be enough. Fix until I know, bitch, I ain't the one. He don't want love, love, love. He just wanna fuck, fuck. Oh, little vacation. Take it to the naked. Talking with our tongue. We just having fun, fun, fun. We just having fun, fun, fun. We just having fun, fun, fun. We just having fun, 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 fun. Give a little piece of mommy. Got somebody. Touch up on my rum pum pum. He craving that Bacardi. Got him talking dirty in the daylight. He be trying whether baby know it's safe. Don't make him shoot me, he's a wild sight. Hit a run light. I know when he come, he ain't never gonna leave. No, hit it the night run and that's the way I wanna be. So don't think I'm the one to won't ever be enough. Mix until I know, bitch, I ain't the one. He don't want love, love, love. He just wanna fuck, fuck. Oh, little vacation. Drink it till we naked. Talking with our tongue. We just having fun, fun, fun. We just having fun, fun, fun. I know when he come, he ain't never gonna leave. No, hit it the night run and that's the way I wanna be. So don't think I'm the one to won't ever be enough. Mix until I know, bitch, I ain't the one. He don't want love, love, love. He just wanna fuck, fuck. Oh, little vacation. Drink it till we naked. Talking with our tongue. We just having fun, fun, fun. We just having fun, fun, fun.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. We can spend hours reading the signal, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. I don't wanna feel like you're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for playing the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exes. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt a fire like this. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. Right here, right now, we're running out of things to talk about. Right here, right now, I'm about to let the truth come out. If I told you I was ready,